This December is going to be crazy busy for car sales. I need to stock up now to prepare for the rush. Hey, Mike Hirlinger from Hirlinger Chevrolet. I'm going to tell you about the biggest savings secret of the season. Cha-ching! The Early Bird gets a deal this month. Trade in your old car early on a nicer, newer car, even if you owe $2,000, $4,000, or $6,000 more than it's worth. Our For the People credit approval process works hard to get you approved, even if you've been turned down before. Once we've helped 100 people, this deal is done. We're the Hirlinger brothers. I'm Mike.
I'm Ted.
And I'm Steve.
And we're a dealer for the people.